If you're watching a "Do I need a new roof" video, someone's probably told you you need a new roof. And let me guess, it might be insurance related? Look, it's no secret that insurance companies have left the state of Florida in droves, and the ones that remain are looking for reasons not to cover you. So I will give you some very simple, easy ways that you can look from a ladder, if you like, and do some self-evaluation of your own roof. Number one, how brittle are the shingles? An older roof will be brittle and break. A newer roof will be much more flexible. Okay. The other thing is granular content. If you get up there and you see black spots or you start to see the black asphalt layer underneath the granular showing through, that's signs you've got an older roof. Granular content. If the granulars are very loose, like you can feel it with your hand or your foot where they slip really easy, that's a sign of an older roof. If the tips are curling, again, that's a sign of an older roof, and it's probably going to be an issue. The primary things that break down a roof are exposure, UV light from the sun, rain, freeze thaw, things like that. The other thing is age. Of course, ask your back or your knees and you'll know I'm not lying. Nothing lasts forever. So look, you could call a licensed roofer. They can come out and give you an opinion. Of course, some roofers may have a vested interest in finding a bad roof. Your other option might be calling a local home inspection company. They have no vested interest in finding a bad roof, just give you an honest opinion of what they see. Now, the whole insurance thing, it's no secret that insurance companies are difficult to deal with, and they're finding an excuse to limit their liability, which makes sense. Several years ago, the insurance industry started using a product from Cape Analytics called a roof condition rating, where they're basically doing their own evaluations of your roof from something like Google Earth. No kidding. I even had a colleague whose client couldn't get insurance because they looked through the satellite and saw leaves in the gutter. Seriously. So, what are some of the things that you can do when the insurance companies are using the eye in the sky? Well, one, clean your gutters. That only makes sense, right? The other is trim your tree limbs back. The insurance companies have stats that show that roofs do not perform as well as long with tree limbs that hang over them. Of course, we have multiple storms throughout the year, right? The other is keep your roof clean. But by all means, don't use bleach in a pressure washer. Okay, there are plenty of products that you can purchase that are much gentler on your shingles or your tile, and will help the roof actually even last longer. So look into those kind of things. And if you are in Florida, since we have representation all over the state and multiple states, feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to hook you up with a local home inspection company that will give you an unbiased opinion.